Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable your form after the submission limit is reached for Wix form. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to set limit submission for our Wix form. So we are in Wix editor and this is our contact form. So click on contact form and then you see edit form button. So click on it. So this is our form dashboard and this is our Wix form new updated layout. Now you see multiple option and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in general setting and then scroll down, you see multiple option and then you see form status limit submission. So enable this option. Now you see disable your form after the submission limit is reached. Now you see submission limit 100 for this form, total submission received 3 and then you see message status message, sorry but this form is now closed. Now you see preview. So you can set submission limit number according to requirement and then click on save, status message and preview. Now you see and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.